Throughout its existence, Steam Railway magazine has prided itself on being an active originator and supporter of worthy projects within the railway preservation movement. Our reader appeals have become well known and to date have successfully raised over £250,000 to help the individual projects achieve their goals. The Great Central Railway Windcutter project became the first to be backed by a Steam Railway appeal when it was launched in the summer of 1992. The Tallaght Railway's veteran locomotive, Dolgoch, was the subject of a more recent Steam Railway appeal in 2010, readers raising over £30,000 towards the cost of building the 1866 built engine and new boiler. On the 14th of May 2011, the 2-foot 3-inch gauge 040 well tank reverses down onto its train in Towin Wharf Station on the Tallaght Railway. This day marked the 60th anniversary of the Tallaght Railway and the 60th anniversary of railway preservation itself, because back in 1951 the line became the first privately run heritage railway anywhere in the world. The significance of the appeal was to ensure that Dolgoch was able to haul trains upon this very important milepost in preservation history, as it had 60 years earlier. In 1997, the Robinson 8K class Great Central Railway Heavy Freight 280 became the subject of a £73,000 Steam Railway appeal in order to fund the National Collection locomotive's return to full running order at the preserved Great Central Railway. City of Truro is a significantly important locomotive in historical terms. Not only is it one of the only two surviving Great Western Railway outside frame 4 rows, it was also the 2000th locomotive built at Swindon, and most importantly, number 3440 was reputedly the first steam locomotive to reach 100 miles an hour. The legendary speed recorded was achieved on the Plymouth to London Ocean Mails Express in 1904, and in recognition of this accomplishment, a Steam Railway appeal helped return the locomotive to steam in time for the 100th anniversary of the feat. Oliver Cromwell became the subject of a Steam Railway appeal in 2004, following protracted discussions between a number of parties that eventually led to the National Collection Pacific leaving Bressingham Museum in Norfolk, where it had resided since August 1968. Following restoration, Oliver Cromwell sits outside Loughborough Shed on May 3, 2008, what amounted to its first public appearance in steam since 1973 at Bressingham. The headboard thanks Steam Railway readers for their contribution in helping to raise the funds for the locomotive's restoration, in addition to being party to the deal that was eventually brokered to bring it back to life in time for the 40th anniversary of the 1968 15 guinea special. The special had marked the end of steam on BR, so it was very fitting that the Pacific, which had been a participant in the excursion, would be able to take its part in marking the occasion. 40th anniversary of the 15 Guinea Special, which marked the official end of standard gauge steam on British railways, took place on the 10th of August 2008. 70013 is captured shortly after passing through Horton in Ribblesdale, as it had done 4 decades earlier. Many thanks for your help in supporting the projects that have definitely improved the diversity and vibrancy of the railway preservation scene in recent years. Rest assured that, in the year in which the next appeal project is launched, Steam Railway will continue not only to report the news, but with your help, we will continue to make the news.